Good afternoon once again officially as we begin the session. ये इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम है. आप लोगों ने बड़े सारे इफ नॉट बड़े सारे बट आप लोगों ने अपने एमबीए के या इंजीनियरिंग के इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम्स एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ डिफरेंट इंडक्शन. दिस इज अ कोर्स इंडक्शन और हम लोग सवा घंटे बात करेंगे. मैं बात करूंगा एज अ कोर्स डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. शैलेंद्र सर हमारे साथ हैं, the co-founder and the course director of this particular course. He's going to talk and we have three eminent people who are going to talk about they are the course mentors for this course. It's a special program. How it is special, इससे students क्या सीखेंगे, कैसे सीखेंगे, वो सारी बातें आज हम करेंगे. एक छोटा सा नोट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट. स्लाइड के नीचे स्किलेज का सोशल मीडिया हैंडल है. So you can start following social media handle of SkillEdge, which is SkillEdge Official, LinkedIn में, Instagram में और Facebook में. As you can see, the social media handle is SkillEdge Official. Okay, all right. Let's start. So आज का जो agenda है, the agenda for today's session or the induction is this, right? So आज का जो agenda है, वो ये तीन agenda है. One is the emerging careers in finance. आप में से हो सकता है कुछ लोग MBA finance specialization में हैं, हो सकता है कुछ लोग BCom में हैं फाइनल ईयर में, इंजीनियरिंग में हो सकता है आप लोग. The overall intent is, मैं अभी आप लोगों से पूछ नहीं रहा हूँ कि आप लोग कौन से ईयर में हैं या कौन सी स्पेशलाइजेशन में हैं. The intent of coming to this particular induction is that you want a career in finance. That's the whole intent. Irrespective of your specialization that you are in, as far as a student is concerned, you want a career in finance. That's what you want, and that's why you feel career in finance. I need preparation. I need the right kind of mindset and the skill, and that's why we all are over here. और इसीलिए वो agenda, the starting point is emerging careers in finance. जब मैं emerging word use कर रहा हूँ और जब सर भी word use करेंगे, it is all about the new trends. It is all about the new trends. आज की तारीख में what are the emerging careers, right? When I say आज की तारीख में, when companies are going digitized, right? As we say, before COVID and post COVID, right? So how companies, when I say companies, financial institutions, banks, investment boutique firms, how they have evolved, and since they have evolved, the companies expect the recent graduates, freshers, to have those kind of skills if you need higher salary. And there is no point of if you need, everybody needs a higher salary at the end of the day, right? So अगर आपको regular trend से हटके high package as a fresher फाइनेंस करियर में एंटर करना है, तो ये जानना और सीखना जरूरी है कि इंडस्ट्री क्या चाह रही है और अकॉर्डिंगली वो सीखना जरूरी है. और वो वाला हमारा पहला पॉइंट है, दैट इज emerging careers. The word emerging highlights these two things. Number one, the new age careers, and these careers are number two, high paying as far as freshers are concerned. All the more if you are from non-IIT and non-IIMs, because as a company, SkillEdge, we specialize in non-IIT and non-IIM students. That's what we are. दूसरा हम बात करेंगे आज full stack finance edge के बारे में. The name of this course is full stack finance edge. Abhishek sir, thank you so much for joining in. Very good evening, sir.
Thank you.
Very good evening.
Thank you.
I'm just introducing now. Maybe in 5 to 7 minutes, sir, we would ask you to give direction to our students. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining in. We're going to talk about the Full Stack Finance Edge program, which is the course. That is the second point in the agenda in detail. And the third point in the agenda is course ko karne ke baad, what is the output? What you will become as an individual and what impact it will have in your academic career. So you are getting a degree. You're getting a degree from your college. You need a new thing so that you have that skill and you become ready for the high paying MBA fresher finance career. So that's the course output that you're going to learn. What's going to happen once I do this course? With this, let us start. All right. So a brief introduction about the company for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we go ahead. Skill Edge is an edtech. We are an edtech. We make diploma, graduate, engineer, and postgraduates employment ready. That's what we make. New age employment ready in short duration of time. That's what we are. And we specialize in non-IIT and non-IIM students, which means non-tier 1 students. So we specialize in that category, and we make them new age employment ready in short duration of time. That's what Skill Edge is all about. ये चीज हम करते कैसे हैं? ये करते हम जो आपका सेकंड पॉइंट है उस तरीके से करते हैं. So every course in Skill Edge is based on 3 pillars, or is kind of rooted against 3 pillars. Number 1 is knowledge. उतना ही नॉलेज दिया जाता है किसी भी कोर्स में जितना कि उस जॉब टाइटल के लिए चाहिए, इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए चाहिए उस जॉब टाइटल में जो आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हो. और जब आप अप्लाई करते हो और आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाता है तो आपको कंपनी में आउटपुट देना होता है. आउटपुट आप जितनी जल्दी दे पाओगे कंपनी expects you to give output as fast as possible. The big training days are all gone. So we believe in job role focused knowledge. That's very, very important. और वो knowledge कैसे impart होता है? वो knowledge इस तरीके से impart होता है जैसे मैं और आप बात कर रहे हैं, इतनी ही आसान भाषा में, ताकि आपको वो ना सिर्फ समझ आए बट आप उसको retain भी कर पाओ. So that's about knowledge. After the knowledge, the second pillar is practice. जब तक नॉलेज की प्रैक्टिस नहीं होती है वो नॉलेज स्किल में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो सकता. प्रैक्टिस का मतलब हैंड्स ऑन एक्सरसाइजेस, केस स्टडीज, इंटर्नशिप लेवल प्रोजेक्ट्स, ये हर स्टूडेंट गो थ्रू करता है. अदरवाइज इट जस्ट रिमेन्स अ सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम जो जनरली स्टूडेंट्स अपने डिजिटल रेज्यूमे में लिखते हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिजिटल रेज्यूमे? वील टॉक मोर अबाउट दैट एज वी गो अलोंग. Certifications have got no significance as far as industry is concerned if it is not backed up with projects, if it is not backed up with good practice. So second pillar is practice. And the third pillar is when you are doing practice, it is important to monitor that practice. कोई होना चाहिए बताने के लिए कि आप जो कर रहे हो वो सही तरीके से कर रहे हो, और वो इंसान बता पाएगा जिसने वो चीज की है नौकरी में, जिसको हम कहते हैं मेंटरिंग. Every student in Skill Edge gets 3 mentors, and so you can imagine the 3 faculty members for 1 student. इस तरीके से knowledge, practice and mentoring एक स्टूडेंट को दी जाती है और a particular job title जिसकी तैयारी वो स्टूडेंट कर रहा है, so that the student is able to crack the interview. We were awarded the best startup award at IIT Kharagpur in March 2020, just before the lockdown. We also successfully graduated from TiE Pune Accelerator Program. Till now, we have delivered 6,500 hours of program to 20,000 individuals in more than 80 plus institutions. I think that's the support, the love of the students that we are getting every day. Let's go ahead. Happy to share with you our advisory board. This is our advisory board. These are some of the big names in the industry who have joined our advisory board. These are the people who mentor us. These are the people who guide us at every stage. Some of these names are pretty well known in the education management and as well as in the financial world. Moving ahead. So it's my great pleasure to introduce Shailendra sir today as a CFO and co-founder of Skill Edge. Shailendra sir comes with, he's a CA as well as IIM Bangalore gold medalist. He has more than 25 years, I think it's a 3-decade experience, leadership experience across 3 geographies across the world. Excuse me. In the corporate finance, risk management and banking sector. Sir has been a mentor to many startups in and around Pune, and he is the course director for this particular course. Sir, once again, welcome to this platform, and thank you for you know being a part of Skill Edge and making students our ready. We would say the new age finance ready. Thank you, sir,
Absolutely.
for joining us.
Absolutely. Great.
And as far as I am concerned, I think many of you are aware of me, but just a quick round of introduction. I just want to say it's been 17 years, more than 10 lakh students in India that I have mentored, and that's what I'm proud of. It's absolute fascinating to talk to students and make them employable. This is what we do every day, and this is what I have been doing for so many years. So thank you for all joining in. I will also be a course director for this particular course. Going ahead, I think let me introduce our course mentors. So we have Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu, hi. Very good afternoon. I think it's a great honor for all of us to have all these three big people in our course mentor panel. So Sudhanshu, I would say is part of Goldman Sachs. He's working in Goldman Sachs, and one of the key things about Sudhanshu, about his big profile, I will just say one big thing, is I think he's the only one from Indian Army who came out of Indian Army, took a voluntary retirement, and he's part of Goldman Sachs. So, Sudhanshu, I think it's a great honor for us and for the students to have you on board, and I'm sure you will add a lot of value to the students about this particular course.
Thank
Then
you.
we
Thank you,
have
Ron.
Giridhar. Thanks, Sudhanshu. Thank you. Then we have Giridhar. Giridhar is going to join at around 2:45. Shailendra sir. So Giridhar is a management consultant. He's an NCR grad. He has worked in Volvo for more than 8 years, and he runs his company, management consulting company, as an investment associate in Dubai. So that's Giridhar. Giridhar is going to join us in some time, guys. Giridhar sir, another very big addition to our course mentor. Last but not the least, I think it's a great honor for me to introduce Abhishek sir. I know Abhishek sir for I think 2 years, 2.5 years now. I think he's a finance czar. He's absolutely finance czar. His credentials talk about it. He's a partner in one of the investment banking firm. Sir has been there in the board of many companies and many institutions. Sir, it's a great honor for us as well as students to hear you and know you and your thought process for this fascinating field of finance. Welcome, sir. Welcome to you once again.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.